Hi, I'm Dr. Tucker. So, people have been talking about Angelina Jolie's decision to have preventative surgery because she carries a gene for breast cancer. Well, the majority of people who get breast cancer do not carry that gene. And in fact, in many people, breast cancer, like prostate cancer or even heart disease or obesity, is a combination of risks associated with many genes. So, for example, my own risk of prostate cancer is about 4% in my lifetime, even though the average risk for a Caucasian male is about 17%. Why do I know this and how do I know this? Well, I've had my DNA tested with what's called a SNP test, SNP, and I've seen the 12 genes that are associated with my prostate cancer risk. And 11 of those 12 genes are in the right orientation, while one of the genes is a little bit in the other orientation. And now we can look at lots of diseases in the same way. So you might want to consider, as time goes on, keeping an eye on direct-to-consumer genetics or medically supervised genetics. Companies like 23andMe and Pathway Genomics are offering such tests and can help you and your doctor make decisions based around personalized risk. And I find that those decisions are more likely to be permanent and lasting and create habit when they're based out of knowledge and not based out of fear. Thanks. Have a good day.